lo inside lo crochet you got all stitches me making another introduction video me to you got all stitches up now. First flow one when basic thread yeah. Also talk lo chain. So first one by me lining by me show you how to make him. Okay, second one single crochet and 1 plus stitch single crochet yeah. Single. Okay, next then we got half double, also talk half a double. Now you got full double crochet, which also just talk double crochet there. Okay, so lo chain yeah, suppose that you make it chain. Me talk chain kind of some basics or foundation. Blood slow got another stitches yeah, single, half a double, double, not treble, slow got any stitch or crochet. Now we're starting on them chain. First we need to make him slip knot past them. So slip knot now we come up with some first plus starting point blood chain. We can explain what some slip knot there. First plus starting chain kind of same. When first you need to make him past now we now you add him on a plug on top never form him chain. So to make a slip knot you got kind way step. One flower you see roughly you learn enough. This line tail blow up end blame so by me talk tail blame you learn size of them length blow pinky finger blue or any whichever finger you feel most comfortable. Middle now you hold him stop. Now you see rub by walk on them you round your finger blue. Round him come on top you form one block crossover yeah. X yeah. Suppose now you put him mama finger go down, hold him stop now. This là when you round him the finger yeah, you pull him come outside. Now you see hook blue, you put him through like this loop yeah. Go grab him rope you walk on them yeah. Now pull him easy come inside underneath the loop yeah, now be pull it come on top. So me show him the sideways. Pull him underneath go. You grab him rope come underneath the loop yeah now. But you pull him come on top. Okay, so then you pull him come. Now I pull him strong too much where you have to see what come on top of what I was saying. No God. Pull him easy that so as long as you pull him come inside first. Now na come on top ne mabursi this la loop yeah you stop us. You don't need to you pull him what come on top us. So once you pull him come inside na come on top now. You put the pointer finger blue yeah, you hold him this la loop on the hook yeah. Hold him stop now. Okay, you grab him tail blow rope na rope by you walk on them yeah. You pull him to blow on them. You pull him now but tight him na not come up with slap yeah. Now you lose him. No, but slip knot do him come up here. So one flower let's make a slip knot. Now suppose you make him also no look so. It's not a big part to mask. I put a hook and mask him look some swim inside. Hook and proper like to mask it's not. So adjust him to make him go right size whereby you can use him. You hold your tail the rope stop. Now you pull the rope by walk one time, yeah. You pull him. You can pull him strong or hard. Pull him easy that's all. Now I'm going to make decrease him size loop, yeah. Make him go you feel also size enough. Okay, you stop. Now how about you adjust him? This last slip knot blue, yeah. Okay, so let me show you can. Put the hook bit through the loop, you're gonna you grab him rope here now, you pull him come inside. After you pull him come inside now, okay, you drop him. tail here. Now working yarn or rope by work on them, you pull it up on them same time. Now pull a holy hook blue strong stop, now you pull it. Never tighten the knot here. Now you make it less slip knot blue, you make it. And one per way you make it a slip knot. Okay, so I talk slip knot them. But you will use him to make it a chain blue here. Okay, narapla way blue you make it a slip knot. You can put the tail to rope or sell hand. Namel or finger blue. You hold him as a now. So namel you grab him and you twist him. Twist him, take out all finger blue. Now X crossover and stuff. So you tiny twist him and put him now and we see him. It's like loop him come up and crossover and stuff. So I put him on my finger on top. Press him can let slap, hold him stop now. Let me see you put the hook blue on set. Go yarn over or grab him rope by you walk here. Now you pull him come inside. Now you can pull him tail, now rope by you walk here, pull him to plant them can. Now I'm not blue come up, slip not blue come up. One kind of same. Now rope by you same here, adjust him size play. Only tail will rope stop. Grab him rope by you walk one time, it's like end there. You pull him. Go and one size you like him, I mean, okay, stop. Okay, so let me show you can. You hold your rope blue awesome and tail stop on one side, rope by you walk stop on another side. And you twist your rope blue. Okay, so time you twist your rope, yeah. Me listening till mention him the first part or say. No, you've been trying now. Suppose you try now no work. Apologies, Adila. Me listening till mention him was the time you twist your rope or say. It's the rope where you walk one time, yeah. You should always stop on top and tail blue, yeah. So I should always stop or same. Because suppose you twist him different way or same. So you can or same. And tail, yeah. And sal on top. And and tail suppose I'm sal on top the rope. Now you put the hook blue on set, now you pull him come, and one on up, hold him, and one on up, walk. So the only way is the way to walk. Time you hold your rope blue also, now you twist him. Now following this like X, rope by you walk one time, and so stop over and tail. Now you hold him stand, you put the hook blue on set, now you yarn over, pull him through. Now you pull him tail to rope now, rope by you walk, pull one time. And perform this la not there. Otherwise, me talk suppose you make him twist him awesome and tail is still on top. Now you hold him, now put the hook through yarn over and one on hold him. So I want to something, we listen to mention him, sorry, this la.